Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is how can you live a life of your choice. So of course everyone wants to live a life of their choice, of their dreams, whatever they are. They just want to fulfill, or something they would do independently, or something they would do out of their own joy, and there would be no restrictions, there would be no opinions of others that would interfere their life, and that would make a trouble within them, and that would dominate them, or there won't be someone who would just dictate that you have to live this kind of life, you have to live that kind of life. So definitely everyone wants a free life. So now where is the difference that some people get this kind of life and some people don't get this kind of life? We all are gifted with life, right? We all have a life of our own. So where the difference comes, what makes this difference that some people are enjoying their life and some are not? So first of all, I will start with people who are living the life of their own choice. What are they doing? What things are they doing, and how they can get such a life that they feel they deserve? So the main thing is, first of all, people who are living a life of their choice, of course, are responsible in their life. Whatever task they do or whatever activities they are doing, whatever they feel they want to do in their life, they are the life makers, they are the dream achievers, they are responsible for their own dreams. So of course they themselves are responsible for everything, and they don't want to take responsibility of others. They are just focusing on their own life, they are just focusing on their own activities, the things that they want to achieve, the things that they want to get in their life. These people take life as an adventure. These people live life of their choice because they don't care what others are saying, or what others dominating attitude is, or what the society is imposing rules, or however other people's life or other people's choice are affecting their life. They simply don't care about all of these things. They are simply focused on what they want in their life, or what they want through their life, what they are getting from their life. Their total focus on whatever they want from life. So hence there they become successful very easily. The journey of the journey of their life is not that easy. Whatever we feel from outside, that how easily these people are living, of course these people are not living a very easy life. These people have taken their responsibility for their own life, for their own actions, own deeds. Whatever they do, they know whatever is right for them. They think a lot for their own betterment, they think for their own life. The maximum time these people think about how to shape their life rather than thinking others' stuffs or others' gossips. These people have their clear goal in their life, that what they want from life and what they deserve. Whatever they feel they deserve, they try to create that, and they of course achieve those goals which they feel they deserve. So in this way, what happens is their total focus is on what they want from life, hence they get whatever they feel they deserve. And now what happens, why some people are not able to make their own life, or the life they feel they want to choose? The reason is that this kind of people are like complainers. They always complain that this doesn't happen, this doesn't happen. They know very well that their family are not going to permit or not going to support in such kind of unique things, in such kind of path. Whenever they are deciding to choose their own life, of course no one is going to help. They have to be their own help. They have to mostly depend on their self help attitude. They have to make their attitude in such a way that they don't depend on others. They more of to be very much self-dependent. So these things they never ever highlight in their life. They don't want to understand that these things are essential. They fear to take responsibility of their own life, rather they try to feel that their parents or their children, who whoever or spouses, would be responsible for their life and would try to make their life that whatever they deserve. So this kind of attitude, what happens is, it's not always very everyone is lucky to get such a person who would do everything for them, or who would fulfill everyone's every wish of that person. So hence these people lag behind and they feel jealous. They feel jealous of those people who are very much powerful in their life and they have got a successful life. So now how those successful people have got power in their life? Because they have created a self power within themselves. They have taken responsibility for their own deeds, whatever it's wrong or right. They are the ones who take responsibility. They would never complain others for their deeds, or they would never try to depend on other people. So hence all these kind of characters make them more powerful. So here where the people who are the takers, who want to take help from others all of the time, throughout their life, they can't do anything of their own throughout their life. Hence they just keep on complaining that these people didn't do that thing, these people didn't do that thing. So in this process what happens, life goes on and they are not able to achieve anything, because this is not the right path, that you keep complaining and don't perform on your stops. Unless you try for your own self, nothing is going to happen. So this way these people remain unsuccessful, and when these people see their successful peers or their successful family members, they feel a inner jealousy. Their inner jealousy creates that how they could do or how they did it. And in that process what they do is they start that blame game. They start that blame game that maybe someone has helped them, or someone has not helped us, or someone has given them preference, or this that. So this kind of double standard talks these people starts, and hence what happens, the successful people who were friend to this kind of people, this taker kind of people, they start moving away. They start to keep a distance between, they start to make a distance between them, their own selves, and they start to create a boundary against this kind of persons, because no one want to be blamed unnecessarily. Everyone has their responsibility for their own life. And the biggest thing is that these takers, this kind of losers kind of peoples, they never want to realize that how life works. Even if someone goes to them and try to guide them, they are not going to listen to them. They would just remain and stick in their own kind of orthodox kind of beliefs, or maybe some negative beliefs. This kind of negative stuffs they would create in their mind and would make it a stagnant. And whenever you go to such kind of people and talk, and they would always complain, they would always blame, they have this attitude to blame everyone. They have always attitude to talk negative about people. So with this, all of this negative attitudes, they never be able to get success in life. Even if they get some success in life, they would start to think that this is not the ultimate, or this is a very smaller one, this is not enough, and something bigger to be achieved, and how others are doing this. So this kind of competitive attitude they create in their mind. This competition creates the relationship more worse. So this is how these takers or these negative people don't get a life of their choice, and they remain the failures. They remain as big failures. So this is the reason why some people get their life of their choice, and how to get a life of their choice. So I hope that through this video you have understood that how to get a life of your choice, and what are the steps you should follow by yourself, and understand that how life works and how you should make your life.